Hi guys and girls, thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Skin Time TV. You know who it is, and this actually really might be the shortest episode I've ever created because all I'm going to show you how to do is take that yellowy sap out of your aloe. It's not really poisonous, it's non-toxic, but it can really irritate your skin and you definitely don't want that. What I've noticed about the giant leaves like this is that there's a bunch of sap in there, a bunch, and it stinks and it's just gross and you don't really want it. So I'm gonna show you super quickly how to get rid of it. First things first, you're just gonna need, of course, your aloe leaf. You'll need a knife. Mine has a nice little serrated edge. And then lastly, a cup. I use this little hospital looking cup. It looks like a hospital cup to me from like the 90s. And it actually fits the aloe plant in pretty well and will keep it straight up so that all of the sap can just kind of run out. So you want a nice narrow cup. I just happen to get lucky. This one works perfectly. And I'm just gonna fill the cup up with water, cut the bottom, and let it sit up in there. So boom, I've sliced off this white part. You wanna cut enough off to where there is no white or very minimal. So this is ready to get cleaned. I'm just gonna take this sticker off. It makes no difference. You can leave the sticker on, I'm sure, but you know me. I'm gonna fill my little cup with water and you'll let this sit. So Google research will tell you, oh yeah, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they say, but it does not get clean in that amount of time, not this size of a leaf at least. So it looks like this. Let me just back up so you can see it in full scale. It's like half of my body length. And I'll just let this sit to the side. But for a leaf this size, I go above and beyond the extra mile. I like 24 hours, but anytime between 12 and 24 hours is a decent amount of time. It's ample time. I do like to go longer because I did notice that there was still sap in there when I cut it up smaller after the 12 hours, the first time I was experimenting it. So I just give it a day. It's 7:57, so we'll just round that up to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. tomorrow, I'll take it all out. In my 7-day aloe challenge video, I actually sliced it up into 7 slices, cut it in half, the aloe pieces, and rubbed them all over my face. And it was pretty neat. It was a great way to use it. However, I'm gonna be a lot more resourceful with the gel this time, and I'll be putting it in a blender. So that sounds like the next episode. Sounds a little bit like that. So I think I'll go ahead and make an episode on the gel and putting it in a blender and seeing how that works on facials. And yeah, you'll be here every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe so that you're able to see as soon as that video is up, as well as any future videos. Don't forget to like this video right now. If you learned something that you never knew, that's all the reason to like it. So go ahead, do that. And now that you've liked it, now that you subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you really don't miss a beat. You'll get alerts every time a new video is ready for your viewing pleasure. And yeah, don't forget to comment anything, anything at all nice that you want to say, or any questions that you may have. All seriousness, definitely do not hesitate to ask. My aloe plant is over here. Still has 24 hours to go. I'll likely change the water out at 12 hours or maybe tomorrow morning. So probably 8 a.m. in the morning, something like that. And it'll be ready 12 hours later. Yesterday, I put in the aloe leaf into the water at 8 p.m. And so 12 hours would have been 8 a.m. So that's about an hour and a half past that. But as you can see, the water is not clear at all. I wonder if I can make it any brighter. Let's move over here. But yeah, it's pretty yellow, as you can see, or at least brown. But it's like a yellowy, brownish color, and it's definitely the stuff we wanted to get out of there. So I'm gonna dump it and put in some fresh water. All right, so now I've got some fresh water in the cup. As you can see, it's really clear now. I'm gonna move to the light, but you can see the blue on the bottom of the cup. So it's good that we got a lot of that sap out, but we'll let it sit for another 12 hours. So about 8 p.m. tonight, or maybe even 9:30, but really anytime in between then, we'll be able to dump this water and start using the leaf. So yeah, tune into the next episode to see what I will do next. But yeah, that's all, folks. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, all of that jazz. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.